Hello. In this activity, we're going to investigate the effect of changing the polarity of the charges and the direction of the magnetic field. Let's drag the flux density slider to -1, and let's drag the charge slider to a value of -1 and click play. What happens? The beam of particles bends in the opposite direction to the previous case discussed in the previous simulation, bearing in mind that a stream of negatively charged particles moving from left to right is equivalent to a conventional current from right to left. Try to apply Fleming's left-hand rule to this situation. Your thumb will point in the motion direction, which is downwards. Your first finger must point in the field direction, into the picture, and your second finger must point in the current direction, which is from right to left. Let's select force to show the direction of the force on the particles. And now let's click pause and reset to remove the particles and leave their track. Now let's reverse the field direction by dragging the flux density slider to a value of +1, and let's click play. What happens? Yes, the beam bends upwards again. Try to apply Fleming's left-hand rule to this situation. Your thumb will point in the motion direction, which is upwards. Your first finger must point in the field direction, which is out of the picture. Your second finger must point in the current direction, which is right to left. Good job!